Hi, this is Jamie DiDomenico with Cool Today, Plumbing Today, and Energy Today. I'm here to talk to you about Ask to Seal. We joined Ask to Seal about 3 years ago, and at the time it was a very new concept for us. But I was looking for a way to get closer to my customers, and we always certified our employees, but they took it to a whole new level with the annual checks. Made me feel really good about a third party checking it. I felt a little less liability on it too, but what I really liked was the connection we get with the customers on the initial contact with the email, the seal mail that we send to them, and the customers comment about they really like that concept of getting that seal mail with the picture of our guy that shows up and a little bit of background on him and some of their likes and interests that we had. So it's a wonderful icebreaker for your technician or your salesman that knocks on people's doors. It's an absolute wonderful service. We get a lot of great feedback, a lot of positive comments from our customers back through the seal mail system, and I know it's working, and it really enhances our whole sales process, which is really what we're trying to do, is build relationships with our customers, and it's one of the best ways to do it. So I highly recommend Ask to Seal, and I think they're a great company, and they have a great future with us.